Discover how to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost await you. Each site offers unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey platforms, consider factors such as reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Watch out for red flags indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your insights and pay individuals to participate in surveys for market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.